I'm at Pfeiffer. I was trying the dolly zoom, the new zoom with the drone. Oh, jeez. All the acorns are falling because it's windy up here. I'm getting hit. Been hit twice so far. Gonna make my lungs work. Come down and see the cabin. You can go back and read that if you want. It tells you about no motorized vehicles. Some bricks under here. Used to be a brick walkway at one time. Little rock wall. I don't know if it was bigger at one time. Probably not, by the looks of it. I don't see a lot of moss on the top stones. I don't know how good. We're not going to see nothing in there. Dirty refrigerator. Look at those. Look at that stone floor. Couches made out of logs. Chairs are made out of logs. There's a cobweb over there in the corner. I wouldn't want to see who lives in there. Let's go look. Maybe we can see. Everything's wood. I should volunteer to come up and clean the windows in the cabin. Oh, that's a big web. Yeah, there's a big window over here. Get a better view of everything. Well, maybe. Nice fireplace in there, but there you go. Got to get the camera right up on top of the window to see it. Keep watching for beehives because there was a couple wasp nests up at the. There's the stairway. A couple of wasp nests up at the what do you call it? Now I feel like getting stung by a bunch of them up here, middle of nowhere. There's your view down. I'm just using my phone. I don't have the camera, but there's a cabin up there on the hill. I don't know if you can see it or not. They're blurry. Cabin way up there, about probably 3 miles or so. Could be further. Got an old grill out of here. Charcoal grill. Grilly Manufacturing Company. Grilly, huh? Love to see what it looks like inside. I don't know if they open this. By the looks of it, they don't. I don't think they do. They got a lot of cleaning to do inside if they do. Nature, the keystone of his life, Stephen Eaton. So this was put together. A lot of work. A lot of work. Nothing like nature. Nothing like being out. What is that little weird piece of wood doing up there? Some big trees here. It's a pretty good sized park too. Look at this tree. There's a little bird's nest right up on top of it. Huh. Maybe that's Gulliver's walking cane, huh? When we were little kids, we used to go down to the tank lots in Olean. That's a maidenhair fern. That's what these are called. We used to hide. We used to play army and hide in these things. Tank lots used to have tons of them. The whole ground was covered with them. Okay. Pfeiffer Nature Center. Absolutely beautiful up here. I was hoping to see the bear. Two girls left here a little bit ago, and she was telling me she saw it a couple weeks ago. You gotta watch for ticks up here. Lyme disease. I don't know if you can hear those. Those are all the different runs. You can hear all those acorns hitting the ground. Pretty windy up top. I'm pretty much walked out today. It's cute. Get another rock and put it up here. A little tree here growing. Let's just tell you about the vernal pool. I'll turn it. And I'll have to turn it in my post editing. We got the red eft, the spotted salamander, of course the wood frog, and then the little guy, the dusky salamander, and those are northern slimy salamander egg mass. That's a northern slimy salamander egg mass. Vernal pools, they fill up certain times of year and then they dry up. Really would like to take a walk to the end of the one trail here, but I'm walked out. I didn't do much today either. Hayfield across the way. I'm really surprised I didn't see any hawks today. There's generally, on average, if you stay up in this area, you see 4 or 5 of them in a half hour, 45 minutes. I know there's a nest over in that way somewhere. I see it always coming in, flying in, and then leaving again. That's a red-tailed hawk. I haven't seen any bald eagles up here at all. I'm sure there are some though. Here's the beginnings of this. I'll put it on here for a second and then you can pause it and read it if you want to. It was founded in 1998, not all that long ago. Their philosophy. Well, that's not the cabin we were just looking at. Can't be. Is it? Those trees didn't grow that tall from 1998, I wouldn't think. That's Wendy's Pottery. And you can read in there who Wendy was. The caretakers. Adopt a tree, huh? Well, I'm all for that. Oh, there's a visitor registry here. I'll turn this off and sign it. See you later.